In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all epics in Jira. This can be really beneficial when managing multiple large-scale projects, as it helps provide a clear overview of work items and their organization. Whether you are a project manager, a team lead, or a developer, understanding how to locate and view all your epics can streamline your workflow and improve project tracking efficiency. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to go to the specific project you're interested in. This could be any project within your organization that you have access to. Once you're inside your chosen project, look for an option labeled Backlog in the side menu and select it. The backlog is essentially a to-do list of tasks that are yet to be worked on, and it includes issues and user stories that are not yet scheduled for completion. It's an ideal place to start when you want to organize and plan your workflow effectively. Once you're viewing the backlog, keep an eye out for a drop-down menu labeled Epics. It should be somewhere towards the side of your screen. If you're finding it a bit tricky to locate, don't worry. Sometimes toggling between views or menus within Jira can make such features more visible. Once you find the Epics drop-down, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a focused section designed for epics management. With the epics drop-down open, it's now time to ensure that the epic panel is visible. Look for an option to toggle titled Show Epic Panel. Toggle this option to On to make sure that the section designated for epics is displayed prominently for you. Enabling the epic panel is key. It provides a centralized view of your epics, making it easier to switch between them and assess their respective items without getting lost in the backlog. Now that your epic panel is visible, let's dive into the finer details of each epic. Click on the name of any epic that interests you. Doing this will reveal all the issues that belong to that epic across various sprints. This view is exceptionally handy as it shows not only the scope of work under each epic, but also the distribution of tasks across sprints, helping you gain better insights into progress and remaining workload. Remember, effective project management and tracking in Jira involve leveraging these kinds of tools and views to their fullest potential. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to view all epics in Jira. We hope this guide helps you gain a better handle on managing your projects. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.